What's going on, guys? So right now it's about 9:30 in the morning or so. I am packing up gear. I have a shoot today at a recording studio. I'm not sure how much information I can give out, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to film. So if you see this as a video, that means I actually got enough to film to make a video. But we're going to pack up gear and get going because it starts at 11. I got to get there early. So here we go. So here's my bag. I have the A7iii with a cage on it that I'm going to be using. Two other lenses, probably not going to use those, to be honest with you. Batteries for the monitor, all my cords, extra gimbal batteries, and the gimbal is up there. I believe that's all I need. I think no lights, no anything. We're at like a studio, so I'm gonna get going. All right, 10:23, or sorry, 10:27, 23 minutes. It's currently 10:03, and we are heading there. I'm probably gonna stop and get something to drink, just because I'm there for most of the day. Doing it the next 2 days, today and tomorrow. A lot of stuff going on, so I wanted to make sure I was there on time. Well, I want to make sure I was there before 11 because it's the first recording starts at 11, and I don't know. I've never been here, so I'm not really sure where I'm going. So here we go. Alright, so I'm here. I'm running just a little bit later than what I want it to be. But I got about 20 minutes to get set up, so I'm gonna grab my stuff and head on in. Alright, so we're here. They're warming up. I'm gonna start filming in a minute. And yeah, we're gonna see what I can film with this, but here we go. Alright, so we are done for the day, but I left my keys in my backpack. So let me get those out right now. So it's afternoon, we're just getting done. Filmed, I think, 5 or 6 different tracks. They did a couple where we're not filming stuff here, we're filming it in like a different setting. But a lot of the stuff I'm filming is in the studio setting. People from the microphones with the headphones on, all that stuff. It's all going into one bigger video. It's pretty much like the most basic way to look at it is like a music video in the studio. And I'm kind of getting like the footage of them doing it, but some are shot in like a montage, some are shot in like a soloist setting. So yes, I need food, like real food, so we're gonna head home, eat. Yeah, I'm gonna get home now, so here we go. Alright guys, so it is day 2 of filming at the studio. I am on my way. I grabbed my Gopro Fusion. I'm gonna attach it to my gimbal. I do that to get some shots of me while I'm working. So hopefully I can get this attached and I can get some footage in here for you guys to kind of see what I'm doing in the area I'm in, all that good stuff. Halfway through the day. I'm working on where I can put this guy. Doesn't work on top. Too much, too heavy. So let's try over here. You can hear this is a shot that we're going to be getting later on. So I'll have to shoot right now. So I'm able to figure this out and eat some lunch. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on the 2 days of filming. About six and a half hours I'd say in the studio doing stuff today. I got a lot of GoPro Fusion footage on the gimbal, so hopefully you guys saw that or are gonna see that, whatever. Yes, so we're gonna head home. Gotta dump the footage, start organizing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think that's where I'm gonna end the video, just kind of showing you guys like a day in the life of what I do when I do some freelancing. Hopefully I got enough footage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys wanna see more of this because I wanna do more of this, more of these type of videos. But yeah, other than that, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.